Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. And seeing today's price action, I can see that many people have written put options that we will see in the later part of the trading session. You know, market gap down today. Already it has gone to below 16,700. I think it opened below somewhere around 16,700, and eventually all day long it was trying to close above 16,700. Now this price action, whatever you saw in Nifty and Bank Nifty, today's price action will also continue tomorrow. That is because tomorrow there is a very important event in US. Tomorrow around 11:30 midnight, before midnight India time, US Federal Reserve is going to come out and they are going to increase the interest rate by 50 basis point. Anything above 50 basis point is going to be very hard for the market, and market is going to get it hit it very hard. Bears are going to hit it very hard. In case there is a 50 basis point, still market may see kind of I wouldn't say relief rally, or it will be consolidating. That's what I can see. So upside is very much limited. That's what I think. Even if there is any upside, every rise is opportunities to sell in the market. And today also people have returned call options aggressively from 16,200 all the way to 16,500. So 15,700 is very crucial, and 15,700 is likely to be broken today, or not today, maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow also it will not be broken. It will be consolidating. It will be range bound. Once this interest rate hike is out, that is tomorrow night, then we will see whether it is going on the downside or if it is going on the upside. So that is the thing when it comes to major news events. And if you see our big brothers today also have sold more than 4,500, 2 crores, and they are not going to stop. They are going to keep on selling until I think fair valuation is around, Nifty fair valuation is around 12,000 or between 12,000 to 13,000. I don't think markets are going to go anywhere reverse. So this is my belief. I don't think markets are going to reverse from 15,700. I strongly believe that market may touch at least from 12,000 or even 13,000. So that is my belief, and I can go wrong, right? And when it comes to open interest, as I told you, there is yesterday we didn't see any open interest at all. 15,400, 15,600, there were no open interest at all. But today we can see some kind of put writing on the downside. So many people believe that 15,700 may sustain. Whether it is sustaining or not, we will come to know in 2 days, in tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So the point here is, tomorrow is going to be very crucial, and if you want to carry any overnight position, I would suggest you square off all your position tomorrow itself. In case Federal Reserve is coming out with a 75 basis points increase in interest rate, there is going to be a bloodbath in US markets, and US markets are likely to fall. And you know, we don't have any emotions, we don't have any sentiments, we don't have any problems. We are simply following the US markets. Even today, I can tell you, if US futures moves up by 100 points, our market is moving by 100 points. If US markets are coming down by 100 or 200 points, our markets are coming down by 200 or 300 points. So what does that mean is, we are simply following the US market and we don't have any fundamental or whatsoever. That is how this is a very bad situation, and this is very bad for our market. I don't know what our people are thinking. We are simply closing our eyes and following the US market, which is not good for Indian retailers in the long run. So we have to dictate our terms. Instead, we are following other markets. Anyway, what we can do, we cannot avoid that, right? So my thing is, my advice is, tomorrow if you are ready to take risk, you can carry your position tomorrow for day after tomorrow. If you don't want to take risk, tomorrow itself square off your position before 3 p.m. and have a peaceful sleep. In case there is any rate 75 basis point rate hike, then it is going to be very dangerous tomorrow. We will see Dow plunging, S&P, Nasdaq, everything going on the downside. And people are saying that already US market Dow Jones has gone down by 20 points. S&P is down by 20%, Dow Jones is down by 20%, and Nasdaq is down by 30%. And many people tell that this might be the bottom because Nasdaq has come down by 30%. But actually in the year 2000, Nasdaq has come down by 77% from lifetime high. So we cannot say this is the bottom. There could be more bottom on the downside. So looking at things, what's happening around us, whether it is Europe, Asia Pacific, Indian subcontinent, everybody all over the world, interest rates are likely to go high, and even crude oil prices are not going down. It is yesterday or day before yesterday, Brent crude went down by $118. It is again $122. So this is going to be a long-term cycle. As I told you, this is going to be a long-term cycle. And once interest rates are hiked, it is not, inflation is not going to come immediately. It is going to take time for inflation to come down. So till then, that's why I'm saying at least we need 6 to 8 months for the markets to stabilize. So that's why I'm saying we have to be careful nowadays and trade the market with hyper caution, right? So nothing much. This is the thing, and I am not trading today. I didn't trade today. In fact, yesterday itself we squared off all the position. Monday morning we squared off all the position. And let me tell you, I had a good and sound sleep yesterday. That was really peaceful. I was like, otherwise I would be sitting and watching the US market, SGX Nifty. Now I don't care. Even if the Dow Jones go to zero, I don't care, right? Because I have squared off all the position. So that is how much peacefulness this is giving. This is the best strategy. I suggest you also follow this strategy. This is the best strategy. Don't be in the market, exit, go away from the market, come back after 1 or 2 months. At least the market should stabilize. Let the market stabilize, right? And Bank Nifty also same scenario. Very violent move up and down, 250 points move in Nifty and around 500 or 600 points in Bank Nifty. And let us see how US markets are going to span out today. Many people I think when our markets were closing, Dow Jones was up by 200 points. Now it is down by 50. It's just in the green. It's just flat. So SGX Nifty is pointing at 35 points downward. So this is the thing now. This is what is happening. That's why I told we are simply blindly following the US market. We don't have any fundamentals or whatsoever, right? Hopefully, I believe I am having a bearish stance, ultra bearish stance. And I strongly believe that 15,700 may be taken this week, before end of this week. And I'm sure I can go wrong 100%, 200%. If I'm correct 100%, I would be a millionaire, right? Billionaire, not a millionaire, billionaire, right? So I can go wrong. Let us see how things pan out. And tomorrow, remember, before going home, if you don't want to take any risk, exit all your trades and have a peaceful sleep tomorrow. If there is any bad news, negative news, then it is going to be very hard. There is going to be a big gap down. So this is the one thing you have to remember tomorrow, right? Nothing much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.